Hello, what is going on? We are about to start a new sack. Now, I have done how many sacks so far? Three sacks. The answers are in YouTube, okay? As YouTube as well as in Escape, all right? Anyone can access it. I really want you to do all those sacks, right? And get yourself familiarized with all that new sort of questions, right? Okay, are we good to go? Let's start. Now, the first question is a reaction pathway question, as you can see. And the first time in the not history, man, first time you are making amide. What sort of amide is that? That is a secondary amide. Do you know the difference between primary and secondary? If that was a primary amide, this should be like this. You see that? This is a primary amide. Okay. Now, in this case, we got nitrogen. Probably there is another carbon attached to it. That's a secondary amide. So we are making the secondary amide. Now it's very simple. In order to make a amide, so okay, in order to make a primary amide, you need to have what? Uh, you need to have carboxylic acid and ammonia. What I'm saying is this. Let's say that you can make a primary amide. If you want to make a primary amide, have a look at that. Look, the substitution reaction. Ammonia. This is OH will be substituted by NH2. So CH3, C double bond O NH2. I'm just trying to make a primary amide, okay? Primary amide. I'm not answering the question. And water. This is the formation of primary amide. Now we are not making a primary amide. We are making a secondary amide. Very similar to a primary amide, you have to have a carboxylic acid. Now, not the ammonia. For secondary amide, you need to have a carbon is attached to. What I'm saying, ammonia only will give you NH2. In order to make a secondary amide, you need to have a carbon part as well. So we need to make a amine. Amine and a carboxylic acid will make a secondary amide. You must know this, okay? It comes with a bit of doing more questions, all right? All right, let's give it a go. Now, hey, make sure that there is 2 there. So 2 has somehow vanished. So ethene, and you are making a, let's start with ethene. You want to make a primary amine. So it's very, very simple. With the ethene is alkene. So it's better to draw them out, okay? You like to draw them out, ethene? Okay. Now I'm going to, we need to put an NH2 part. In order to put an NH2 part, you need to remember, you cannot put an NH2 group straight away. You can make it alcohol and add ammonia. Yeah, that will work as well. But I would prefer to do this, to add HCl, addition reaction. So then I can get CH3, CH2, Cl here. Then I'm going to add ammonia. Then I am sure, CH3, CH2, NH2 byproduct is going to be HCl is a byproduct. Yeah. So always remember what you need to always remember. Always remember, if you want to make a amine, you need to have chloroalkane and ammonia. Ammonia is always part of the process of making amine. I mean, if you want to add NH2 group, you know what I mean? So chlorine and ammonia will do a substitution reaction, okay? Now, that's done. So we got the amine. Now we need to convert into a carboxylic acid. So that is very easy here, because here you got this weird thing. CH3, CH3, CH. Do you think it is 2Br? No. No. I think wait. No, this is H here. CH3, CH3, CH. Yeah, CH2Br. Yeah, that's correct. Then what could you do? You need to make a carboxylic acid, so you need to convert into a alcohol. So CH3 here, CH3 here, then the H, then the uh, then OH, right? You can add NaOH or potassium hydroxide. Is that clear? All right, then uh well, that's very strange, is it? You need to no. I made a mistake there. That's ridiculous because you got Br here. You need to have NaOH there. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. OH here. Then yeah, because we need to make carboxylic acid. I was doing it wrong, man. Sorry about that. So always we can fix up errors. So acidified potassium permanganate. Then you are going to get COH. You see that? Alright, always remember oxidation of primary alcohol. This group is the one that's going to get changed, CH2OH. Remember, I've said that to you several times. I said that to you several times. What? The carbon where hydroxyl groups attach, it's called the hydroxyl carbon. The atoms around the hydroxyl carbon. So this is the hydroxyl carbon. They are the atoms that are going to rearrange into aldehyde. You can be no. Can you make aldehyde? Well, no. We have to add heat. Then we are sure that you are not going to get the aldehyde. You will end up getting the carboxylic acid. Then add them up. Okay, how is that reaction happen? Okay, you want me to show you how this happens? Look, in order to do that, I'll draw. Let me draw the semi-structural formula, right? No, structural formula. Then I can show it to you how this happens, right? Okay, look at that. Okay, now I'm going to show the functional group facing next to each other. So, okay, then what? Then, all right, now look, it's condensation reaction. You see that? So then CH3, CH2, NH, OCO, CH, CH3, 2. So we got, so this is the group that they have given us. No, I made a mistake there. Man, it's too late. That is ridiculous, man. NH, man, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, CO. That's the group. Man, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It has been a long day. Okay. Well, that's done, isn't it? So what type of B? What type of chemical process occur in label 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1? Okay, I'll give you one. CH3, CH2, Cl, that's one. Yeah. 2. What happens is 2? What is 2? B, CH2 being CH3, 2, CH2OH, 3, CH3, 2, COOH, yeah, CHCOOH. The last one being CH3, CH2, NH, CO, CH3, 2. All right. That's not a bad question. What chemical reagent required to label 1 and 2? I think we've done all those things. HCl and NOH? No. What chemical reagent? C. No, B? Did you do B? Man, I'm so sorry. I wasn't. What? What type of chemical processes? That is stupid. Is addition? And this is substitution. This is oxidation. That's condensation. Oh, so sorry. So many sorries, man. What chemical reagents? See, chemical reagents. What? I thought we did that. Hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. Number one. Number one, HCl. Number two. Number two is ammonia. Oh, this is not number. This is number three. Number two, ammonia. Give the systematic name for A and C. What is A, man? Why they are asking us to do A? Which one is? Yo, this is so simple, ne? Chloroethane. Why are they asking us? Yo. Oh, all of them go. Ethane, chloroethane, and C. Oh, carboxylic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. Huh? You don't have to say 2-methyl. Methyl propanoic acid. Yeah, you're right. No, there's no any other methyl. Simple. So that's what I've done. Okay, we did that question. Was it a difficult question? No. I would say, yeah, sort of is, because the reaction wants you to make a amide, secondary amide. Because most of the reactions we've done, so previously you were making ester. This is the first time that they expected you to what? Make a amide, secondary amide. Is that clear? All right. All right. I'll see you with another question. See you. Bye bye.